Hello friend, welcome back. Let me fix a typo I left in last video here. I hate myself. I don't understand why I keep make this spell mistake for corner. Okay, so how to rename? So you see, at least there are three right occurrence here. We don't want to manually modify it, right? So there are two ways to use the rename feature of Xcode. So first one is hold on Command key and click this guy, then you can do rename, right? And the second way is to right click here, then select refactor rename. They are same. They will jump to the same place like that, right? So all the occurrence are listed here, so we just need to modify in one place. So corner E, right? It should be E. Okay, now you can enter or click this button, rename. Done. And if we rerun it, nothing will be broken. Yeah, so a good practice is to always like a commit for the good Git practice is commit regularly. So let's do git status. We just make a small modification, right? And if another git command is git diff. So if there are multiple files modified, then git diff will list all of them. And if there's only one file, then yeah, all of them is just all of them in this file. And if you want to specify the difference, right, in a specific file, you can copy this one and put it after that, like that. So in our case, because there's only one file, right, so it's same as we can simply just do git diff. Okay, you see. Let me make it wider so you can see. Try to get used to it, right? So it means we delete this one, right, minus that plus another one. Yeah, so basically I changed the O to E, like here. Yeah, same idea, right? Same thing happened here. The O, so the whole line, yeah, it is really like that. The whole line was removed and a new green line, right, was added. Yeah, like that. So that's the difference. Now we can do commit. -A means all. Fixed a typo. Okay, escape, like that. Now git status again is clean, so we can do git push. Yeah, it's good to correct the mistakes, right, in public space. Yeah, after the push, the copy in the GitHub server, right, is updated. Okay, so now let's talk about oh, when we go back to Xcode, the modified token here, mark here will be cleared. Yeah. Yeah, we promised we'll talk about some basic programming concept in this video. So let's stop that, and we'll introduce something new. We never touch that in our videos. It's called playground. Playground is like a place you can play like a snippet of programs. Okay, so I personally I don't like that, but since it's useful to some people, okay, because everything I can do in playground I would do in another way. I'll show you the other way later. So now let's create a playground, maybe okay, here. No, let's click here, file, new. You see, we can create a project of all a playground. Here, let's select, yeah, either one. I think iOS or macOS should be okay, but let's just use macOS blank playground. Okay, next. So what's the name? My playground. Let's use like Swift day 1. Okay, Swift day 1 playground. And well, oh, auto save information. What is that? Let's cancel it. I'm not so here, let's do it again. New playground. Yeah, next. Oh, this time, well, it's connect for Mac. Okay, so we'll put here under our project directory. So Swift day 01. Okay, hopefully, yeah, next time I still remember this naming. So maybe next playground will be named Swift day 02. Okay, and create. Oh, it's like that, but well, it is, I think it'll be, let's check where it is. Come here. So our Xcode project, right? So connect for Mac here. Yeah, it's here. So we create a playground here. Okay, and it's not part of the project here. This is our like app. So let's close that. Oh, we can use our lovely, right, tree command. Okay, level to level. Okay, yeah. So this is our original Connect 4 app project. Those two are created by GitHub repository. When we created the GitHub repository. Now this is a new thing. Oh, basically 3 entries, right? Okay, so it means whatever we played here, right, it'll be saved here. Is separated from our app. That's good. That's great. Okay, so if we do git status, we can see the change. Yeah, 2 new files under this directory. It's very interesting. Git will list only files, right, not this directory. Yeah. Okay, so what do we want to play in day 1? So here is import. It's a library. This is called the library. Okay, Coco is what we need, right, for our programming using anything inside the Coco library. Yeah. Okay, so the first thing is var. Var means variable. So this guy means we can we run it? Click. Oh, nothing happened. Oh yeah, when you move, you see when you move. Yeah, let's add more code. Okay, so string. Oh, there's a lag here. So on the right hand side, the string variable will be evaluated here. So if we another way to define a constant is let. Let means we cannot change its value. So for example, if we want to do string equals hello friend, right? Friends, it should complain, cannot assign a value, because string is a let constant. Constant means it cannot be changed after it's defined here. It's always, the value of string is always hello playground. Okay, so if we want to change it, we have to use the var variable keyword. Now it's okay, so let's run it. Click here. When we click this icon, it will run from the top until this line inclusive. Okay, so there are three important things in most important concept in programming. The first one is the computer executes the instructions in order. Okay, so let's try it. In order means if we print like hello, let's use hello 1 and hello 2, they will be executed in order. That's the first rule, first important things we must understand, keep in mind. So if we run it, click here. Oh, this is the line break. It also displays here on the console. So this means the computer run each line of code in order. Okay, so the next thing important in programming is if else. I'll give you an example here. Okay, so for example, let x, a number equals like 5. We can write the code, if x is an even number, so x divided by 2 is modulo 2 equals 0. It means the remainder, x divided by 2, the remainder is, it means to get the remainder modulo, okay, mod or modulo. Then we can print out like x is even, else print x is odd. Now let's run it. X is odd, because 5 is odd. Now what if we put a 0 there and run again? X is even. Correct. So this is how we comment out the code. Okay, so concept 1, okay, and here concept 2. The last one in this video will be concept 3, the power of a computer is to repeat similar or same command, so we can use a for loop structure like that. For loop for I, we can do 0 dot 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 3, so 4 times. Any code inside this one will be run 4 times. So let's do print like thank you. Okay, so now run it. We can see 4 thank you here, 4 thank you here. So now the warning says, the warning here is immutable, this I is not used. So in that case we can since it's not used, we can use an underscore, or we can also click here to auto fix. Yeah, fix. Right, now the warning is gone. When we run it, we get the same result. Now, so how do we use the iterator here? It can be any name, I or A, B, C, D, right? And we can print out, we can show its value, like thank you. So one way to show its value is put a backslash parentheses. This is how we display the value of a variable inside the double quotes. So we can put the ABCD here. Right, now run it. Thank you once, thank you twice, thank you 3 times, right? Oh, okay. Thank you, right? 4 times. So now if we right click, oh, how can we rename it? Oh, there's no rename here. That might be one of the reasons I don't like Playground. Okay, never mind, just kidding. So since it's easy to manually fix that. Yeah, okay. So if we only want to print the I thing, we can do just simply put I here. It also works. That's right. Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is same as, this is exactly same as, right? Like that, and the backslash parentheses I here. The output is the same, but the concept is a little bit different, right? Here is we print out a string. Now we using the backslash parentheses to convert the integer I to a string. So this is, now they are not numbers, they are just a string with a letter 0, letter 1. Yeah, it's not a number here. Yeah. And the previous, yeah, let's undo. The previous way to print out, it means before it printed the number, it convert automatically behind the scene, convert the 0 to a string 0. What is a string 0? It's like that. This is a string of 0, not the number. The number of 0 is like that. Okay, so a string of 1, letter 1 is like that. This is not same as the number 1, right? Okay. Again, the 3 important concepts in programming is in any programming language. Okay, the first one is the program runs in order, right, from top to the bottom. And the second one is we can use if else to make decisions, right, which route to go down, this one or this one, based on the condition here. And the third concept is how we can create a repeat structure to do these things for, right, a lot of times. Here, if we add a 0 here, it will do like 31 times, from 0, right, to 30. Let's do it. Yeah, starting from 0, right, this line of code was executed for 30 times. Yeah, so here we can put a lot of, right, very complicated logic, and anything inside this one will be repeated automatically. That's the power of our programming or computer. Okay, great. So we introduced the playground, okay, in this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.